Hello students, Hemant sir is here. So today we will start the two different measurement of the angles. In right angle triangle we have three different angles. One is of 90 degree and another two are of acute angle. If their measure is 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay. See, in this diagram we have three different triangles where one of the triangle is of 90 degree. That means our triangle is of right angled triangle. And other two acute angles, one of them is of 60 degree and another one is of 30 degree. Okay. So on that basis we are going to decide the length of different side as compared to the hypotenuse. Okay. So as we know, in 90, 60, 30 right angle triangle, the right angle triangle which have measure of 90, 60 and 30, the side of the angle opposite, we can say the side which is opposite to the 60 degree and 30 degree, we can measure their length by comparing with the hypotenuse. Okay. So here we have first condition. The first condition says the side opposite to 30 degrees Celsius. Oh, sorry, it is not Celsius, it is 30 degree. We are not measuring the temperature. Okay. So side opposite to 30 degree. For this triangle, this is the 30 degree angle, which is the acute angle, which have measured less than 90 degree. So the opposite side for this angle is BC. That's why we have written here side BC. This BC only for this diagram. Otherwise, you can name vertices according to your wish. Like you can write here P, Q, R. You can write L, M, N. You can write X, Y, Z. Any three variables of your choice. Okay. I have my choice, that is A, B and C. Okay. So this is the angle of 30 degree and opposite side of this angle is side BC. So we are calculating the length of BC by comparing with hypotenuse. Okay. So in 90, 60, 30 theorem, we have side opposite to 30 degree, that is side BC is half of the hypotenuse. See, it is very interesting. Without measuring the side, you can directly, if you know the value of or magnitude of hypotenuse, or we can say length of hypotenuse, by applying this formula, you can directly measure the side of opposite to the BC, opposite to the 30 degree and opposite to 60 degree. Okay. So first we have the side opposite to 30 degree, that is side BC, is half of the hypotenuse. Therefore, we can write that the measure of BC, equals to 1 by 2, that is half of the hypotenuse. And what is hypotenuse? It is AC. So here we have BC is half of AC. So in word we have to write again, BC is side opposite to 30 degree. So we have to write side opposite to 30 degree equals to half of hypotenuse. See, I am writing just hypo, so you have to understand it is hypotenuse. Okay. Now next, the side, measure of the side, opposite to 60 degree. Opposite to 60 degree, that means इस जो एंगल है इसके अपोजिट वाली साइड ए बी की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके. सो इन ब्रैकेट वी हैव टू मेंशन साइड BC. We have to mention side BC. Okay. So it is root 3 by 2 of the hypotenuse. Okay. It is root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. Okay. Therefore, we have to write this statement in formula form. Okay. So side opposite to 60 degree, that is AB. So measure of AB equals to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. Okay. Therefore, AB equals to 1 by 2 of hypotenuse is AC. So we have to write AC. Okay. So if you know the hypotenuse, if you know the type of measure of the angle, that is if it is of 90, 60 and 30, so you can measure or you can directly check the side, the measure of the side of BC and AB, other side except hypotenuse. Okay, so this is all about the first right angle triangle. Now we will discuss about the second one. So in second right angle triangle, as we see, one of the angle is of 90 degree, because this triangle is right angle triangle. So here see, Q is nothing but the right angle, okay, of this triangle P, Q and R. So these two other angles are acute angle and their measure is each of 45 degree. Each of 45 degree. So in this case we can measure, see, अगर ये दोनों 45 डिग्री के हैं, that means this is the isosceles triangle where two sides are equal in length except hypotenuse, hypotenuse को छोड़कर. ओके, सो इसके लिए हम थ्योरम लिखेंगे. सो इसके लिए थ्योरम में हमने ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ चुका है. इन थ्योरम 90, 45, 45, व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ द साइड ऑफ अपोजिट टू 45 डिग्री. अपोजिट टू 45 डिग्री ये भी है और अपोजिट टू 45 डिग्री पी क्यू भी है. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट दैट any for any triangle or any angle we can say. Okay, so side opposite to 45 degree is of 1 by root 2 of the hypotenuse. See, side opposite to 45 degree is 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse. Okay, so it is quite easy. So we have to write, see, this is for this triangle. Okay, now we are writing for second one. Okay, so second one, what is the measure of angles of right angle triangle? It is 90, 45, 45 degree. Okay, so the measure of side opposite to 45 degree angle, 45 degree angle is 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse. 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse. Okay, so here directly we can write hypotenuse is PR and the side opposite to 45 is PQ and QR. So measure of side PQ you can say or QR you can take is equals to 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse is PR. Yeah, okay. So this is number 1, this one is number 2 and this one is number 3. That three equations are going to use in our solved problem as well as in our practice set. Okay, so this is very important part of your study. This is on the basis of theorem that we have already covered in 9th standard. Okay, so please write down and remember the first thing, second thing and third thing. Okay, so I hope आपको ये पूरा का पूरा पार्ट समझ में आ गया होगा. Okay, so students please do write because it is very important. Now we are moving further. So you can write or take a screenshot also. So now we are going to understand the something special, students. It is nothing but a theorem which depends on the right angle triangle if from vertices, that is from 90 degree angle, if we will draw the BD which is perpendicular on the hypotenuse, then we have to prove there are three different triangles are formed and which are similar to each other. That we have to prove. See, in right angle triangle we have ABC. B is the 90 degree and other two angles, that is A and C, are the acute angle. And we have drawn this BD segment on the hypotenuse, that is segment AC. हाइपोटेनस के ऊपर हमने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया, दैट मीन इट इज फॉर्म द 90 डिग्री एंगल हियर. ओके, सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द थ्योरम, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट this triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Then in triangle BCD is similar to triangle ABC, and triangle CBD is similar to triangle ADB. That we had to prove the three different ways. Okay, so we have to just understand the statement of the theorem. The statement says in a right angle triangle, हम बात कर रहे हैं राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल की, इफ द अल्टीट्यूड इज ड्रॉन, हम अगर एक अल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ करेंगे, इट इज नथिंग बट द सेगमेंट बीडी ऑन हाइपोटेनस. ओके, अल्टीट्यूड इज ड्रॉन ऑफ द हाइपोटेनस, देन द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर फॉर्म्ड. सी दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर फॉर्म्ड. दिस वन इज फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल, this one is second triangle, in whole this is ABC is the third triangle. We have three triangles. Okay, formed are similar to the original triangle. So triangle 1 and triangle 2 are similar to the original triangle. Original triangle means triangle A, B and C. Okay, and to each other also, that means these two triangles are similar to the original triangle as well as they are similar to each other. That means we have to prove angle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Then angle BDC, triangle BDC is again similar to triangle ABC, that is the original triangle, and triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. That we have to prove. Okay, so we have to write the given part first. What is given? So given is in triangle ABC, angle ABC is of 90 degree. We are discussing about this triangle. ABC is of 90 degree. Then segment BD is perpendicular on segment AC. This segment BD is perpendicular on segment AC. Then again it is given that ADC, that means this D is lies between A and C. So यहाँ पर जो लाइन पॉइंट है A लाइन पर A, D and C are co-linear point. Okay, so इसको हम co-linear के फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे. It is A, D and C. Okay, so what we have to prove in the equation or in theorem, we have to prove that triangle ADB, triangle ADB is similar to original triangle ABC. Then in second part we have to prove triangle BDC. Triangle BDC is similar to original triangle, that is ABC. And the third thing, we have to prove that triangle ADB, that is ADB is similar to triangle BDC. This is triangle BDC. Okay, so we have to prove each pair similar one by one. Okay, so we will start first part, that is triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. So first we are proving similar triangle ADB. So we have to write in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. And triangle ABC, in triangle ADB and in triangle ABC. See this angle A, angle A is common on both the triangle. See ये एक ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल है ABC, यहाँ पर A है, and another triangle that is ABD, यहाँ पर A वापस आ रहा है. That means जो A है एंगल वो दोनों ट्राइंगल के लिए कॉमन है. So we can write angle A is congruent to or equals to, or we can say similar to triangle A. Sorry, angle A. Why? It is a common angle. Common angle. Okay. Then triangle, see, ABC. In triangle ABC, angle ABC, this one ABC is of 90 degree, and which is similar to or equals to, we can write equal also, which is equals to angle ADB. Angle ADB, and both are of 90 degree. Both are of 90 degree. So here we have already proven that two angles in two triangles are similar. That means by angle test we can prove that, or we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay. Therefore, by angle test, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, very similar. Next, second part is of triangle BDC. It is BDC, and in triangle ABC. Here we have to write in again, in triangle BDC. Okay. So again here the angle C is common on both the triangle. Therefore angle C is equals to angle C, common angle. How? Common angle in both the triangle. Again angle ABC. Angle ABC is of 90 degree, and here if it is 90 degree then it is also of 90 degree. So angle BDC equals to angle BDC is of 90 degree. And again there are two angles are similar in two different triangles, so we can prove them similar by angle test. So we have to write, therefore by angle test, triangle, which triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so here we have proved first part, here we have proved second part. Now third part. What is third part? Angle, in triangle, so we have to write in triangle ADB and triangle BDC. सी हम बात करें इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स की. ओके, जब दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में क्या हो जाएगा, ये वाला ट्राइंगल सॉरी ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल दोनों 90 डिग्री का है. सो वी टू राइट दैट एंगल BDC is similar to triangle ADB and which are of measure 90 degree. Okay, now so here we can see that in equation 1 triangle ABD is equals to ABC, and in equation number 2 BDC is again similar to ABC. So यहाँ पर जो ट्राइंगल ABC है और यहाँ पर जो ट्राइंगल ABC है दोनों कैसे कॉमन है, तो हम इसके बदले में ये जो है इसको हम यहाँ पर प्लेस कर सकते हैं. So we can say from equation number 1 and 2 these two triangles are also similar. Okay, so in triangle ADB and triangle BDC both are similar. By equation 1 and 2. Therefore we can write triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. See, we have proven all the three pair of angle are similar. Okay, so this is the way we have to complete our proven part. If any vertices is drawn, or we can say if the altitudes is drawn on the hypotenuse from the right angle triangle. So this is the way we have to complete our proven part. कब होगा ऐसा? According to the theorem, when altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse, then there are two triangles are formed such that they are similar to each other as well as they are similar to the original triangle. Okay, so students, I hope आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. तो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो आपको इसको पूरा का पूरा रिपीट करना है so that you can understand how to prove and how to apply the theorem in. We will solve the next problem where we can apply those formulas also, okay, that we have discussed before this theorem, okay, which is of 90-44-45 theorem and 90-30-60 theorem, and this is of the vertices. Okay, so write down or you can take a screenshot also.